Ladies and gentlemen, happy Friday! Yeah. It's finally Friday, guys. We did it. So do we have the sound? This is actually everything freaking working. Yes, it is. Hello Blade, Xero Linux, Logic Slayer, Glenny aka Vexy. What's up, guys? Happy Friday, everyone. Good Friday for me, Sunday Easter, Greek Orthodox. Ooh. Nice, dude. Arnold, how are you? Happy Easter, man. Bruman, what's up? Salians, good morning, Arnold. How is everyone? So first, I want to apologize, I'm late. Because I wanted to give myself a treat. Look at this. Canadian coffee, guys, just for you. So on paper, it's Canadian. In reality, it's not owned by Canadian anymore, I believe. But anyways. It's equivalent of Starbucks. Here in Canada, or Donkey Donut. I don't know. I don't remember the name in my head. It's an American like coffee chain. Dunkin' Donut. I think it's something like that. Dunkin'. Yeah, Dunkin'. My bad. Software Socialist, what's up? Mike J. Tellurian, how are you? Dunkin' Donuts, yes. Salut SC2, nationalize Tim Horton for nationalized security reason. Yes. Oh boy. Yeah, and now I hear we have to watch out for Luckin Coffee. What is this? What is Luckin Coffee? Sajay Prakash, what's up? Salut Armax, how are you? I'm doing fine. What about you? I'm currently making an app to undervolt Ryzen CPU in Linux with a GUI. Okay. Why would you do that? Lucky Coffee is a Chinese brand? Oh yeah? I don't know this brand. I guess I'm gonna have to keep myself up to speed more seriously, chat. Okay, so I had this install of CachyOS, but we're gonna start fresh. Okay. Only have presence in Asia. Well, apparently Logic Slayer is saying it's coming here in North America. Are we going to install CachyOS today? Yes, we'll install CachyOS. So the plan for today is that we're going to do a fresh install of CachyOS because the previous one, I think I played with it a little bit too much. It was last stream. We tested the latest Vulkan beta driver from NVIDIA. And yeah, I played a little bit too much with it. On top of that, we played with like some LLM and stuff. So I think now we're gonna just like start fresh.
Bisous,
okay.
de la crème member.
That's gonna be the whole idea.
Un RM4 Xolala, un RM4
oh my gosh.
un RM4 Xolala.
What? Varisk, thank you very much for being a member of La Crème de la Crème Club for 14 months. Whoa! Thank you very much, dude. Happy Friday. Thank you very much. Thanks for your support. Fresh start, best start? Yes. So you install CachyOS every week. So I install CachyOS every stream or I install a new like Linux distro almost every stream. When we are just doing like some gaming and testing, yes. But it's only on my testing SSD. My main operating system is also CachyOS, and I think it's like in 4 years I installed it like twice, I think, something like that. Because I've been using it for 3.5, 4 years now. So yeah, like it's stable. We still need the cache install counter. Will do. Air Max start every morning with a Tim Horton and a fresh cache install. Yes. We have to keep the blood going, right? Okay, so let's restart. Okay, so we're gonna go right into it. I logged out from Steam, so we should be fine. And yeah, we're gonna install real quick. It's stable for sure. I've had it on my bedroom PC for over 3 years now. See? There is sometimes some hiccup, like, you know, it's not a perfect like straight line, but yeah, it's pretty solid.
Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club.
Alors, CachyOS, hello.
Internet.
Xero, my man, welcome back. Thank you for continuing and supporting the channel, dude. Thanks a lot, buddy. Thank you very much. Thanks for your support. So we're gonna install it, and after what I want to do, chat, I want to try this new game called Road to Vostok. So I didn't buy it. I didn't buy it because there is a demo. So we're gonna try the demo. But if it kind of click and it works very well, maybe we're gonna get it. We are not doing Ubuntu today. No. No Ubuntu. Ubuntu, no thanks. No thanks, dude. Alright, so I'm gonna make it bigger for you guys. So we say 150. Yes. I think it's big enough, chat. Alright. Now we're gonna install. Papa Air Max visiting Soviet land. Yes. Salut Cosmic. Xe. OpenSUSE. OpenSUSE. Man, I don't even know how to pronounce those words. But no OpenSUSE today. Comrade Air Max. Yeah. US International with dead key. Limine, yes. No, not this one. The Kingston. Erase all disk. XT4. So Kingston, yes. Erase all disk, yes. Allez up. Plasma desktop. So I'm not even going through them. We say yes. Air Max. What's the name you want to use? Yes. So here it will be like Road to Vostok. It's funny because each time I do that, my whole like local DNS resolver for the hostname of this machine is changed. So there is always like new funny name appearing in my list of like connected device. Anyways. You know what? We're gonna do a CachyOS, by the way. Alright. Next. Good drive. You chat. are looking good. I'm looking good. Yeah, we should be fine, chat. Yeah. Leonardo, how are you? Paolo, good morning. What's up? Only thing I've noticed, my main PC is not happy with better FS. Could be. Me, I try to avoid the feature I don't use. Like if there is a feature like I don't use, why do I need to install it? That's the spirit. And that's why I really like Arch. Because if you look at the Arch philosophy, it's called KISS, right? Keep it stupid simple, something like that. Or keep it simple stupid, you choose. But this is the idea, right? You want to be as less complex as you can, right? I'm trying out Fedora 43, and the only thing that's bugging me is that I had to make 6-character password after the install. Oh no. Do you think CachyOS is overhyped? It depends by who. I tested a lot of distro. So I tested a lot of distro, okay, and mostly have the same performance than on Cachy. Well, it depends on you measure, like it depends what you test, and it depends how you measure the performance, right? I think one stuff that does not show off in all the benchmark I see around is anything related to latency, right? Anything related to, you know, like pure benchmark, like someone like Phoronix will do. Because Phoronix has proven that there is a value added with the V3, V4, like package optimization and anything related to the configuration of CachyOS. So, you know, it's always the same story in life, right? It's like how do you test it and how do you measure it? I seem to trust Cachy's dev a lot lately. Them and Glorious Eggroll. Yes, I'm in the same boat. Like if I was not using Cachy, I will be using Nobara, I think. Yeah. My only like constraint I have regarding Nobara is like I'm a Fedora noob. And I like how Arch and Arch-based distro are easy in general, like, you know. Count Bus, what's up? Big up, big up. How are you doing? You don't trust me? What did you say, Xero? Did I miss something? When kernel 7.0? That's a good question, Mabek. How are you doing? I don't know what it is, but there are two things going on. Number one, he has problem with disk, whereas NTFS, dual booting, and I'm a gamer. Two, it's slower than cause minor hiccups on game. My channel, what's up? I think it's an issue on fast M2 disk with better FS. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Salut Benjamin. Cachy made a believer out of me. Be maining Linux for 2 months and cannot imagine going back to Windows. Nice, dude. Welcome. You trust CachyOS dev and not me? Oh my man. So this is what came out, huh? I didn't say I didn't trust you. I said, like, if I had to choose, if I was not using CachyOS, I would use Nobara. That's what I said. Like, there is a lot of, like, maintainer out there, which I trust. I think Fedora is better than Nobara. It doesn't break and has way less stupid error. I don't know, man. Like I never, like I was never able to break Nobara, guys. I don't know what you do, or I don't know what I do. Maybe I don't do enough to break it. Are we restarting now? Yes. Okay, here we go. Using kernel 7 as release candidate, zero problem, and more FPS in Christmas Desert. Yes. So talking about Christmas Desert, you know that apparently you don't need the Proton HIP version for running it now, if you are running an NVIDIA card. I break Nobara faster than I can take a shower. I have no idea why. So maybe you break it because you are a Fedora noob, dude, and it's fine. Me, I know I'm a Fedora noob. So, like the way Fedora like manage the packages and stuff, it seems like it's all easy, but it's not as easy as it look. Like the package manager I'm the most used to is the one from Debian, right? APT, like the one I spend the most time on. Yeah, it will be this one. And then it's Arch. And then when you come to anything related to Fedora / Red Hat / all the derivative, I'm like lost. I can do things, but I'm just lost. So I know that, you know, it might not be a distro problem. It might be more like a me problem. The updates manager is so fragile. Well, but that's the thing, is like, yeah, it's I think the way like Fedora structure its update is actually more like robust. And when you start to get out of the way, like it kind of like collapse. At least for my testing, like the way I do things, and obviously I do things wrong. So don't take my word for like, you know, like a truth, but it's just my experience. But I think it's my fault because I don't know how to do it properly. And on the other way with Arch, you can do whatever you want. It could be broken, but it could still be working somehow. You know, so it's like, yeah, no, it gives you the power. It give you the power of do whatever you want. I don't know if it's a good thing at the end of the day. You know? FSR 4.1 upgrade in Cache Proton available as well. Nice. And they also pushed a patch regarding the low memory GPU. I don't know if you heard about it. It's actually insane. It's a patch from Pixel Cluster, I believe. She has been doing an awesome job in this and over like department regarding like Proton. I'm thinking about ray tracing, and so she added that, and now it has been pushed. So it has been pushed in Mesa and has been pushed in CachyOS. Yeah, there was a Phoronix article about it. Yes, it's actually good. Most of the times that break my system is update. Yeah, exactly. I had a few issues with Nobara update breaking over time. Since they have their own repo, there's some time where things broke and it took them a while to fix it. Fair. Install DistroBox or use Nix packages if you miss the AUR. Yes! That's a good point. I have one of my buddy who is a big fan of Debian, and he has his Arch distro box in which he install everything else. And he's like, oh, this one is not up to date, no problem, distro box.
Ooh la la, la crème de la crème claire.
It's pretty good,
The
dude.
news croissant, the best.
It's pretty
club
good.
on Internet.
Every Fedora distro I've tried had disk access permission issue. Most of the problem I had with CachyOS are my own stupidity. Yes. You know, that's why I'm saying that too, because I'm in the same boat as you, EC2. Like, I know that there is thing I do wrong. But I'm just too lazy to relearn a new distro when I'm something which worked for me. Paolo! Thank you very much for your support and welcome to La Crème de la Crème Club, bud. Thank you very, very much. Can you use the AUR on Cachy? Yes, you can, of course. Of course you can, dude. Alright, so let me set up everything properly so we don't need this screen. And no, you are not dumb. Every question is not a dumb question. I just want you to know that, dude. I'm happy to answer them. So where are we? Power. Yeah, that's what I do. So nothing. Fine. Now the mouse. Please, no acceleration. Thank God. Okay. Lock screen automatically, never. Voila. Okay, we're good now. Appreciate your answer. Love the Linux world and the community. It's exciting to see Linux and everything else around grow so quick. Same, dude. Yeah, he has been insane for the last 4 years, and I think he become like more spread for the last like year. I would say like 8 to 16 months, and it's good. I ditched Windows completely. Nice, dude. Salut, Vostok had been running perfectly for me on Cachy, 120 FPS plus maxed out. Nice, dude. We're gonna have to test it. Vostok is East in Russian. I was born on the Russian Far East. Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Umka, for the donation. €5 donation. Thank you very much, dude. By the way, cheers. Thanks for your support. So, yes, we're gonna go east, I guess. Linux now at 5% on Steam. Yes. Yeah, I think it's bugged that. This is bugged. Okay, like this 5%, I'm sorry to say to you guys, but it's bugged. Okay. But we're hitting the right direction. We're hitting the right direction. So let me do the sound config real quick. I'm gonna mount my secret drive. Ooh. Why is it? Backup. Yes. Okay, so here. Mount. Yes. Okay. Yes, alors let's see fast fetch. Do we do a little bit fancy today? Because someone mentioned the kernel 7, so now I want to test it, dude. So Paru Linux RC. Whoa. CachyOS maybe? Yes, better. So it's here. Linux CachyOS RC7. Yes. So let's see if I just put one, if it actually adds the rest. No, it does not, huh? I want to make it a little bit bigger for you guys. Linux, CachyOS. So I have the header. I have the header and I have... So do I have DKMS? I don't know. I don't remember what he installed by default. Okay, no, it doesn't install it, so... Yeah, it doesn't force the rest. So you have to install this one and this one, because otherwise it's not going to work. It's funny that it doesn't enforce it. Well, anyways, we're gonna install all of them. Salut Nekuz, game crashes on Windows plus Intel Arc, but no issue on Linux. Yes. You know what I like with Linux is like I don't have Candy Crush Saga, dude. Like this is what I really like about Linux those days. Okay, let's do this one. How is the NVIDIA driver situation with Linux? I have been following it much since I'm using the 9070 XT. We are still, like, NVIDIA is still behind. Like, by a lot compared to Windows. And especially, like, in application like DirectX 12. But it's getting better, so... I'm still frustrated about the fact that I can't get the full performance of my machine on Linux yet. I'm thankful that it's going to hit the right direction. Like it's in the right direction, and we are going to hit like I think soon like a good improvement. But yeah, like it is frustrating. Like if you have an NVIDIA card, be ready to lose a little bit of performance. So there is trade-off, right? Do it with the kernel manager? No, I won't do it like a boss. I've been running Cache for like 3 years. I keep a copy of Slopdose. Slopdose, dude. Microslop, WinSlop. Only to configure hardware. I needed to update firmware on joystick and VM doesn't work. Yeah. Salut, Concreturum Azot. I tested Vostok on Linux Mint yesterday. It works fine, but I could not shoot and reload. What? Okay, we're gonna try that. Or are you super sure you want to delete the file? Yeah, on Windows. But you need Candy Crush and TikTok and everything else we want you to have. Microslop 2026. Oh. I'm so tired of them, chat. I'm so tired of them. Okay, so now it's mounted. We have our hard drive mounted. And now we're gonna do meta game, I think. Game. Something like that. Yes, so gaming meta. And whoa, 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 whoa. Why is it? I thought we had 2 packages to install. Voila. Gaming application and gaming metas. This is the one you want. So 5.6. 5.6. Okay, let's go. Vostok it's made on Go.Engine, open source. Probably the Linux version is native. So I heard it's not native yet. The dev, it's a solo dev, and it just made a Windows version so far. But I heard he said that it shouldn't be hard to port it to Linux natively. Well, we don't need the native. Honestly, like, let him focus on the game, and I don't have this type of expectation. It's a solo dev, dude. So let him focus on the game itself, and when he's like successful enough to hire someone to do it, for example, and focus on the game itself. Like we don't want you know, those guys to waste time in things which are like not, in my opinion, like important for the success of the game. Salut Futura 2K, what's up? I gotta say, working for an MSP and supporting Windows 11 is painful these days, but it pays the bill, so yes. RNC, I was running EndeavorOS for 2 years, but I've decided to switch to CachyOS 2 weeks ago and it feels faster, smoother. Nice, dude. Enjoy. I'm a big fan of EndeavorOS, dude. Like, this is the distro I use the most before switching to CachyOS. I'm a big fan of what they do. But yes, like it's more like pure art, right? So if you want to get any type of like improvement in terms of performance, well, you need to do some work. And why would you do the work when CachyOS does it for you, you know? That's the real question. Why would you do it, dude? That's why I switched. Okay, so let's see where we land here. Okay, alright, so we have the latest driver, like production driver. We are on kernel 6.19, so I need to reboot. Okay, let's reboot, chat. We're gonna go on the new kernel and then we're gonna test the game. It was pretty fast, huh? I got the sound set up, I got my hard drive mounted, I have my little script there. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I'm forced to use Windows 11 laptop for work. I should feel a complaint for unsafe work condition. Yes. 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 So many people skip the tutorial and can't reload the shotgun. Vostok gives you the option to run DirectX or Vulkan. I only tried Vulkan, but it ran perfectly. Okay. Salut Waung. How is the performance? We didn't even install the game yet. For a Godot, it looked great and no Unreal Engine stutter. Nice. Nice, dude. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wait. Where is my? Oh, it's here. Watch out. This is what happens when you have 2 kids and you wake up at 5. Chat. This is what happens, chat. And when you get old, not good. Like, the keyboard is just in front of my face and I'm looking for it everywhere. Yeah. He already got enough funding to make it for many years, he said. It was #2 bestseller on Steam for a while. Ready? Nice. Good for him, dude. That's good. I think deep down, we all want a solid, like... Oh no, dude. Why is my account... down? We got a problem, chat. Oh no. All right. Okay, everything is fine. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to load the... Gonna have to restart. Okay, so give me 5 minutes. I need to log into Steam and... Yeah. Salut Jurox, what's up? So I think what I was saying is, like, I believe we need an alternative to freaking Tarkov. Like, there is a need out there for, you know, a Tarkov-like. So obviously we have Arc Raiders, but it doesn't bring, like, the full, like, you know, rough experience from Tarkov. Tarkov is good, but, like, you know, it's been, in my opinion, has been a little bit stale. So there is space in the gaming landscape for this, right? If you have to choose one OS for the rest of your life, which one would it be? Ubuntu or Windows 11? I think I will stop computing, dude, at this point. I think I will just do something else, man. I don't want to be this guy, but... I think I will do something else. Like, there is a lot of nice stuff to do, you know? Okay? Believe it or not. Touch some grass. You know, walk. Maybe do some biking. I heard biking's pretty good. So give me 1 second. Just trying to survive here. And get this password. Okay. Hmm. One second, chat. Serious time. Hmm. Okay. Okay, everything is fine. Hmm. I see. That's what happened when That's what happens when your passwords they are so complicated you can't even type them, dude. Okay, we are back, chat. Whoa, we are so back. Okay. Salut Ali Dada. I had a lot of fun with Grey Zone Warfare and Operator lately, and now also with Vostok. Oh, so you are in this type of game, man, Nathaniel? Good to hear, dude. Good to hear. So Grey Zone Warfare needs me to make 2 file read-only or ESE start complaining though. Oh yeah? I think I was the one opening the ticket on Valve for this game. I was really expecting it to work really nice, and then I got my money back. Because it was just so much of a mess on Linux. I was like, no. I'm not spending time on this. Maybe I kind of regret it now, I don't know. I'm thinking about the newest Arma game. I noticed I've been playing with a guy that I got to be a celeb in the gaming world. He's called Super Sylvia. Don't know him, dude. Ubuntu isn't that bad. It's not like it's bad. I never say it's bad. It's just not for me, dude. You know, it's just my taste. It's just, yeah, it's definitively not for me, man. I'm a Debian fan. So when I see Ubuntu, I'm like, ah. But this is me being a fanboy, okay? You know, I know people love Ubuntu, like it's fine. And to be fair, like each time I test it or I always find like so many issues with this freaking Ubuntu, dude. Enfin, Ubuntu. It is makes me tired, dude. I didn't see that. Okay, so let me set up this real quick, chat. I need to add my storage, and then we're gonna install the game, okay, chat? Hello. Pop, 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 pop. Normally, it should be like, doo-doo. Yes. We got this, chat. Yes, we did it. Oh man, I'm so late. I would start bird watching instead. I like bird watching. Yeah, why not? Hello, Salut Morgan. Hello, I'm new to Linux world. I like FPS game. Are there some good FPS game on Linux which look like COD? You think like Call of Duty is a good FPS, Morgan? I'm not judging, I'm just asking. What do you think about Counter-Strike 2? Yeah, okay, so everybody answer already. Thank you, chat. You are the best. Like, you're the best, chat. Salut Sven Ivanov, what's up? I'm searching with chatbot. What is chatbot? What is it? Okay, so normally you should see my screen. Let me check. Yes, we are good. I like single player FPS, too old for sweat. Stalker 2 isn't bad now. Fair. Salut Kennedy, Valente, how are you? Alternative to Tarkov, Armani Reforger. What? Armani? Okay, road to Vostok. Let's go. So I'm gonna add the demo, okay? Add to library, okay. Download. 4 GB, okay, I like that. If you give me your password, I will type it for you. Dude, I already leaked my password last time. So... because I like realistic feeling. For that, I like Call of Duty games, but I want to know if there is some copy for it on Linux. You are trolling me, right? Dude, are you trolling us? Like what? Alors, road to Vostok demo. It's here. So let's see the settings first. Okay. I'm gonna start it like that just to see if it works out of the box, chat. Right? Let's see what happens. Oh, you can choose, huh? DirectX or Vulkan. Okay, I'm gonna go like total noob here. I will suggest Vulkan, but is Crimson Desert working for you now, Air Max? Yes, it does. It's just the freaking performance is so bad, chat. Yeah, we're putting everything on ultra. I'm confused here. So there is no DLSS on this? If you want to play co-op in a military sim type of game, check out Operator. It's the most insanely immersive game I ever played. Ready? Wow, I never played this game. Salut Xact. Road to Vostok is great, but the most punishing extraction shooter. I maxed it out on Linux at 240 FPS at 4K. What? Man, I'm at 246 right now. Oh, dude, like it feels good, chat. I can see my feet. Okay. Let's do that real quick. I hope that upcoming War Dogs game doesn't deny Linux and enable the flag since it uses ESC. I would love to play that one too. Yes, I've been looking for War Dogs. Yes. This one could be good. So it runs without DLSS. Okay. So there is no DLSS on it. Kennedy, man, I want to edit with DaVinci Resolve. I need to convert the video to an acceptable format, but the video ends up being too large and demanding a lot from the processor. Is there any solution to this? Yes. I don't think I'm gonna explain you right now during the stream, dude. I hope you understand. So I think Vexy and that you are talking about two different things. Glenny is talking about Crimson Desert, and here we are talking about Road to Vostok. So it feels like it to me, chat. So I'm gonna try to force Wayland. Okay, cause yeah. So let me do some modification real quick. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Well, so most of you know already, like, but I'm gonna do it. So CachyOS wiki. This is how you do, okay? Go there, and you have this little, yes. So anti-sync is on by default. This is the one you want to use. Proton enable Wayland. Okay. So we go back here. And now we're gonna force Wayland, okay? Then I'm gonna do a game performance. And then I'm gonna do the command here. Okay, so what it says is like we enable Wayland, we make sure it's on game performance mode, and voila. Okay. So sorry Kennedy, like maybe come on the Discord, open and help me, and we'll spend some time with you on that, but I don't want to do that now on stream, okay? But yes, it's possible. Yeah, it doesn't like Wayland chat. So what's happening? Okay, feels a little bit better. But... oh. So I just put this command in the environment like that. I don't have to do this over and over. Yes. I like the granularity of doing it though. Over and over. So we lose a little bit of FPS, but it's more responsive and yeah. It's freezing right now. I'm moving the mouse. So maybe it doesn't like Wayland directly, this one. Salut Griffon Helix. Is this the new EFT-like game made by a solo developer? Yes. It is, dude. Okay, so let's try to launch it with Vulkan. I'm gonna try to force Vulkan, chat. So what I noticed right away is like there is a little bit of input lag. If I don't push it through Wayland. So I'm trying to push it through Wayland right now, chat. Ah, voilà. Bro. Okay, so, guys. You need to go... You need to go with Vulkan, okay? So that's the learning. Because now I have 500 FPS. And I don't have input lag. Yes! Maybe we limit the FPS, no chat? MSA 4. It's fine. I don't want to go 8. It's 4K, dude. Come on. I don't want to be this guy, but like... So we are in 4K. Everything max. And yeah, you can read at 400 FPS, but that's fine. So, let's see. Welcome to Vostok tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through the most important game mechanic and control. Let's start with setting. You can access setting with escape. Through this setting, you can change input, different value and performance option. Performance option. Okay, sure. Okay. Interface. Oh, I heard someone. Man. Okay, so let's go back there. Best gamer for life, what's up? Be that guy, no worries. Yes. Interface is your main UI and contain everything. So tab. Ah, okay, that's my inventory, chat. Health, energy, hydration, body temperature. Oh my gosh. So we are going like hardcore, huh? In this? Yeah, someone is coughing over there. What? All objects that logically have storage space are interactable loot container. Loot is generated on this container and items are also physically scattered around the world. You can open and interact with MMB. Oh, so it's... Oh, got it. So MMB is clicking the wheel. Oh, darn. Oh, okay. So in case you didn't know, dude, I spent like thousands of hours in Tarkov. So I kind of like have some reflex. So control, click, you switch, shift, you drop. Okay, chat? This game is so punishing. If you die in the later zone, it deletes your save. So I guess Vostok is on the east side, right? Because we had someone like who told us that Vostok means east. Equipment are dedicated item slot and linked to several important. So equipment can increase your carry capacity. You can find equipment slots in the interface. Oh boy. How do I... The heck? So it should have... So what is the thing to equip right away? Wait. Fast transfer. Ah, fast equip. Okay, so it's alt. Alright, chat. Got it now. Hiking pant or jean? Nah. Windbreaker. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a hoodie. Oh yeah. No, dude. Electronics equipment. Narva. Polaris. Matches, yeah, we need that. And can we have... Oh, got it, okay. Okay, got it, chat. So what can we get here? Battery... tuna... Oh, darn. Maybe I'm gonna have to change that. Coffee, we need some coffee and we need some juice, okay, chat? So it give me really the vibe of Tarkov right now. Mesquite. Okay. Dragon Slayer, what's up, my man? And the demo is also a pretty old build. Okay. We'll see, like, if I like it, I'm gonna buy it. Like, we are destroying the budget, and I've not been doing a lot of work. So, you know, like in the YouTube world, if you stop like making like 4 videos a week, you don't exist anymore. And it's not just me like being around; it's me like financially, like it's like boom, out. So, weapon or equipment. Okay, when a weapon is equipped, you can draw holster from slot 1 to 5. Okay, so let's see. Oh, the Karov. Okay, so I want that. No. Okay, let's do it again. So can I keep it? Mosin, dude. But we're gonna make a carnage with that. PM7, yes. Okay, I like that, chat. Oh, yes. Oh, it's empty, dude. Okay, where's the ammunition? Nice. So, what do we need for this baby? $9.19. Hello? Okay, and this one... $12.70. Where are you, Papa? Yeah, so we need those, I guess. And here, yeah, we don't need anything, I guess, for this. So how do we reload this? Aim. Fire. So V ammo check. So we have 0. Control and left mouse button. Oh, this is how you load. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, so you literally need a combination of buttons to check. So how do I pump it? What did I miss? Magazine can be attached to weapon manually or with R. So now I'm stuck, dude. Oh, I need... Okay, so I go in reload mode by pressing Control. This is how you reload, dude. Interesting, dude. First name, last name. How are you doing? Fernando Muniz. FPS escaped at 300. Yes, I did it. Because there is no point. Like I don't need like 580 FPS right now. So I just cap it. So how do I shoot? Fire. Oh, got it. Okay. Dude, this is hard. Chat, this is actually really hard. This is hard, man. Like just reloading is complicated. Okay, got it. So you can customize weapon by attaching suppressor, optic, and laser to them. Oh wait! I wanna try this one. So. Oh, no way you're gonna have to do it this way, dude. Oh, chat. So, question now. Okay. Okay, so you can actually... Okay, this is good. So, your mag is actually linked to your gun. I don't have to go in the menu to reload. I just have to press R. I'm wondering what is this for. See, there is these little things there. Okay, I like it. So what do we have here? Whoa. So... Oh, you just add it. Got it. So my guess, this is what it is, right? It is cool, chat. And it is actually pretty cool. So can I do that? No, I need to be... I think you need to be on it. Yeah, you need to be there. Oh no, it does not need to be there. Okay, my bad. So I don't have the mag for that. It's fine. I'm just testing stuff, okay? When a knife is equipped, you can draw it by 3. You can slash and stab. Okay. You have 2 nade slots, and you can draw nade 4 and 5. Okay. So... Sure. Take this knife. Oh boy! Helmets. So, Armor system is based on NIG rated helmet armor plate. Armor protection level is included linked to armor weapon penetration. Open a container, equip helmet, place carrier and try attaching them to armor. Prevent critical condition rupture. Helmet prevent medical condition headshots. Oh, it's only one plate. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go with this one. Alright. Trader in game. Oh, okay, that's our trader, dude. Okay, so you can buy stuff. Crate special. Oh. AI is divided into 3 hostile factions which occupy different areas of the game. Bandit, guard, and military. Each AI faction has different abilities. Okay. Oh man, I like this gun, dude. I like this gun, chat. So it feels pretty good, I have to say. Like AI game world is divided into 3 zones which have different map and loot pool. Okay. You can travel through the zone and map through transition which have certain travel costs related to character. Okay. Oh, this guy is dead. So you can loot them, right? I guess this is the idea. Well, that's cool. Game use world simulation which create night and day cycle, dynamic weather, season and randomized events. So 1 day cycle is 2.4 hours in real life. When a knife is equipped, you run fast cause reason. Do I run faster? Okay. You can see current time with time-related item. Pick a... Oh, got it. Okay, so... So you can see the time. Oh, got it, chat. So where do I see it otherwise? Oh, you don't, huh? There is no time in the... Okay, I get some drink here for the hydration. Okay, it's working. So I have to open it. Okay. Shelter are safe areas that allow you to save simulation time, character progress and loot. Shelter can be unlocked with key which you acquire by completing tasks. Got it. You can use item placement with G. Oh, that's cool. Want to put it on his face? Oh, okay, you can't. Okay. Man, this is nice. So I guess you can do whatever you want in your little hideout. Oh, did I... Okay, bro. Okay, so you can... Interesting. So it's F1. But we will do that another time. Vostok is a high risk, high reward permadeath zone where death results losing all existing production. Permadeath, this game deletes all the save files, so you lose absolutely everything. When you travel toward Vostok map, you are warned before the transition. When you enter Vostok map, a red permadeath. Okay. Alright. So I guess we understand the game, right? Let's see. Alors, standard. Random start kit, shutter spawn start 10 with neutral weather, all character vital 100, permadeath in Vostok. Season. Summer. Summer, 365 days, no winter. Okay, so it's like easy mode. We are doing easy mode, chat. What happened in Vostok? Stay in Vostok. Oh, so this is my... Oh, bro. Oh, yes! This is my inventory, okay. Sleep, no. Oh man, everything is empty, chat. So I guess we need to go right away. Oh man, this is a creepy decor. Like, at this level, I'd rather be out than in this place. Alright. Turn on the light, we are short on electricity, I guess. Alright. Bendu Teal. Ça marche bien alors. Yeah, it look like it's working right now. Okay, man, I'm impressed by the graphic, like we are running at 300 FPS right now, so let's go unlimited, dude. Okay, so on unlimited, I'm still at 300. Which is pretty insane, chat. Let's see if we are burning the card. Yeah, so it's using it to the max. But like 600 watt, I'm not sure it's smart to do that, but... Oh well. Let's do 200 and monitor. Yeah. Okay, let's do 200, dude. This runs so well on Linux. Yeah, it looks to run like really good. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to go loot, huh? Oh yeah. So man, do I have a... Oh, okay. Mag is here, I have 34 bullets, dude, so... Oh, someone is dead over there. That was a possible, like, worst way to enter the house, dude. Mm-hmm. Nice! Oh, I had no gin, dude. I was running commando, chat. Food. Okay, the Bible or whatever it is. What? I was looking for trouble, I found it. Okay. Alright, can we go out from here? And we can't. Okay, don't panic, Ermax, it's fine. Oh, this guy has better angle than I do. Can you open the door in the other side? No. So that's gonna be a problem. Yeah, he's over there, the guy. I just can't get the line on him. Dude, where is he going? Is he pushing me? Bro, you think you're gonna push me like that? Bro! How was that? Where is he? Chat, do you see him? The heck? Right side, out window. Yeah, I know he's there, but I can't. You have 3D sound, you can hear where he is. Do they run off ammo if you keep baiting? Yeah, I hope so. I don't even see a muzzle flash or nothing. Oh yeah? So confused, dude. Oh, I see him. Oh yeah? Oh, there are two, dude. There are two. Okay, I think the one on the left is gonna be a better call for me. I have no cover, but... Oh, did I kill him? I shot the other guy, I'm sure I got him too. Where is this gun? Allez, viens voir papa. Seems clear. Toilets are clean. The other dude, he went in that direction, right? Do you remember? In this house. Whoa! He's pushing! The heck, dude? I'm gonna buy this game. Please crouch. I can't crouch, dude. It's not my style. I don't know if it makes sense, but condition. It's not good condition. I guess I'm gonna have to find a way to. So what type of... Oh, there is another one! I heard say the word suka. He's upset. I think he was in that direction. Damn. Now I'm scared because if he's in the wood... He's just here. There's two of them. There's two of them. Suka means friendly. Talk too much, bro. And there is no loot, oh. Another one. How much bullet do I have here? 6. A 7 in the... Oh, he got me, dude. The heck? I got owned. So what happened now? Yeah, Max, you want to talk about that? I thought I had him. So man, I'm naked now. I'm naked, dude. So is that the same world? Cause I'm like, can I go back and loot my body? Or is that a new instance, you know what I mean? We're gonna see right away, chat. Nope, it's a new instance. Those are the easy enemy. Yeah, I shouldn't have rushed the guy. It's my fault, dude. Well, we got some jacket, huh, chat? Like... you know, like... some serious jacket here, huh? We die with style now? Yes. How are you, Snargo? Stop complaining. The birthday suite is equipped with a major weapon in front. Made you 2 kids already. Did they loot your stuff and run out of it? I think it's a new session, dude. What I think is like I should have played more in between comma carefully. And went back to my base and saved some of those guns, right, for the next round. I think this was the game plan overall. Right? Now I need a knife or something to kill someone. And get a gun. Because without a gun I'm gonna get pretty useless. Okay, so watch, we have ammunition here. We just need the guns that come with it. We're gonna get one, I'm sure. Hey, Finlay Ardov, what's up? Got the clothes, now you need a fishing rod. The dev quit his entire military career to dedicate the rest of his time to making this. Nice. Yeah, you have to be more careful. I want you to try it. You know, I felt more like... you know, confident, because I start to really, like, get some kills, you know? So I was like, man, I'm on a roll. Like... I know there is a guy over there, so... yeah, he's just behind. The guy is just behind, dude. Oh! Glove. No! Can read a book. Pop! Bro! Listen, we might die, but I will die with my belly full, dude. I can't eat it? I heard their voice too, don't be worried. So what IEM do I have? And I always like forget the name. Since your first run was bad, it may have been better to start fresh after death. Now you have to get lucky. Yes. But let's get the full experience, you know? Okay, so I think in that car there is maybe a gun. Oh! Oh, there is no door on the car! There is... Okay. Dude, I found one! Oh, chat, I'm so good. I don't have a mag. I just want... Dude. You can throw them. So it's 919 and we need 918. Yeah, also. And I have 0 bullets in both of them. Oh man. Listen, we got this. Let's be positive, guys. We got this. What is this? What can I do with this? Can I eat them with this? What do you want me to do with this? Whoa! What do you want me to do with this? Man, this game, I kind of like it. Oh, he's behind. He's in the house? Man, he's in the house! He didn't see me! I can't punch him, chat. Oh! I got a knife! And a mag! Oh boy, dude! Okay, this is our chance. He saw me.
ei kannata jää tulee makaamaan.
Okay, guys, we got this. Oh! I need to go back home. It starts to get cold. I think my house is over there. All right. I think there is someone here. Run, Papa! Okay, I think it's not bad, chat. I don't want to get destroyed by the train. Yes! Cool! Okay, so dude, I have to say, like, the game is fun. I went a little bit crazy on the loot, but, you know? No. No. Okay. %? You think it's not good enough, chat? So this we don't need, in fact, huh? I got all this stuff, but I have an extra gun and I have 14 bullets. So can I use the toolbox to fix it or something like that? 919. So I have the bullet there. Oh. Okay. So I don't think I need all those windbreaker stuff. Yeah, I went a little bit crazy on those, but we're gonna get rid of them. gonna need some repair soon or another weapon. Yeah, I agree. You think it will only like fire once? No. Okay, let's have a little night. There are traders. Okay. Okay, let's go back. I think we're gonna need a map or something, huh? So if I drop them on the table, like let's say I make a little pile there. Voilà. Voilà, chat. Look how cool it is. Muy muy, how are you doing? Lucky bastard. Dude, I was a... no, I'm going back to sleep. I'm going back to sleep. Dude, I'm going back to sleep so... Going back to sleep, chat. Alright. We fine. I just wanted to say I really love your video. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching them. It's like you just turned the monitor off. Yeah, it was bad. So I've seen like some night vision, right, in the tutorial? Bro. Wow, look at the reflect and stuff. The game is beautiful, chat. We should do more game on Godot, no? The game looks so good. Okay. Hey Stefan, you seem like you are really into this game, huh? You really like it. Ah, voila. Here we go, dude. Okay, so there is this train there, but I want to continue to... This train track, I want to continue to loot in that direction. I want to explore, right? I 100% love it, not gonna lie. Yeah, I can tell. Which is fine. I understand why. Like me, I like the fact it runs on Linux, obviously. And it runs super well. Oh, nice. So I'm wondering if there is like repair kit and stuff. Okay. Well, this house is not the best to loot. This one was actually awesome to loot, like... This house saved my life, chat. Let's go! Yeah, it's in the kitchen. Okay, we're gonna have to eat some peanuts, I think. When I get some water or something to drink, whatever it is, I'm gonna eat that for the energy, right? Oh, let's go! Let's go, dude. Like the spawn of the enemy seems totally random. Which is good because it kind of forces you to be aware of, you know, like your environment versus just knowing where they're at. Okay, so we got some food. $5.45. This is not $5.45, this is $0.45, right? Yeah. No. ACP, okay, ACP. That's what it is. Okay. That's definitely not what we can put in this AK, but... Man, another one? Oh, watch. So maybe you have to be more careful. Like if you look at the ground, you can find way more stuff. Food. Okay, this seems more calm, this red. And you know what's going to happen, right? I'm gonna say it's more calm. And then someone's gonna start to shoot at me really hard. Okay, so what ammunition do you need? 918. Yeah, we don't have any of those. Okay, so maybe I check this house. And then we're gonna go more in that direction. Man, weather's gonna... I think it's starting to rain, dude. Is it clean, this house? Food. Oh! Cool! Okay. Oh, man, I thought it was a ton of loot. I made a mistake. It's not. Combat boots, medkit, nice. Jerry can, another magazine here, nice. What is this? Karov magazine? Oh. And the famous windbreaker, so... Darn! Did I lost it? Oh no! Oh no, I did not. Okay, so this is for something else, definitively. Oh man! Oh, you're right, it was a pistol. With 3 bullets in it. Maybe I should have 1 pistol ready to go. Just in case, I'm gonna put it here. Because if I need to switch gun, I know exactly where it is, right? The other one, we're gonna put them back into... Oh, this one is better. Okay. Alright. So guys, you ready for me to go there? I feel like I don't have enough loot, but... Like, this is this type of game you have to decide, like... What's worth and what's not worth, right? Like some type of trade-off you make. And me, I like to take risk in general, so... No risk, no reward, chat. Oh, computer. Things are running Linux, that. Happy stove. Okay, huh? Another gun. Nails. TV, okay. I heard a guy. Get some soup, dude. Rupture. Critical condition where you have a catastrophic bleeding and major internal wound. Cure, medkit. Okay. Oh, he's coming. Weapons jam, everything is fine. Okay. This guy is dead. I think it's time for me to come back, dude. We need to loot him. And a soup will fix it. You think? Oh, no way! Maybe if I get some peaches. Yes, the peaches. Oh man, so much food. I need to go loot this guy, no? Feels like if I go loot him, I'm gonna be rich. Okay, so gun is okay. You notice he was jamming, like he got blocked. He got blocked, right, when I was... I thought you said something else like B instead of P. Oh, okay, yeah, no. Don't jam on me. What is it? Bleeding. Bandage, medkit, tourniquet. Okay, bro. Where is the other gun? Well, this is a moment where I say goodbye to everyone. And we try to survive, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna die, dude. So, now... Man... I don't know how much space... Goodbye! You will bleed out? No, I'm not bleeding. I'm going back home. I'm going back home, dude. I'm not bleeding out. Like, I hope I'm gonna heal, right? How do I not die? Now I can die, I don't care, dude. We got some stuff, dude. Oh. We got everything in the bank. So we already find a way to trick the system, kind of. We'll see if I found some meds. Chat, do you see what I'm saying or not? Oh, the guy was just walking in front of me. The dude just entered the home here. You hear him? Oh no, it's just my... Wait! Did I stop it? Oh no, I don't need a splint. I needed something else. Okay, that's fine. So on paper, when I'm spawning now, I'm gonna have a gun. Cause I have okay, so bro, look at this. Oh boy. $762, okay, so that's what I need. Damn. Oh, look at this, that's what I need, that's all. Some boots, some peanuts, the bag, the splint in case, you know. Oh yeah, watch. I have my winter jacket here. Yeah, it's enough, dude. Look at this. I'm golden, chat. $762 will have longer range. Yeah. Let's start easy, right? Because I'm a noob still in this game. But I like it. I understand how you can be like involved in this loop. But the fact that you can play your death is kind of like, you know? I don't know, man. And I'm surprised like I can still play the demo. Like this is a demo. I didn't buy the game yet. You spent 200 hours on the demo? So what will be the limitation of the demo? If you can spend that many hours on the demo? Like what do you have more inside the game? Like I guess you are locked to an area or something like that? Oh, it's the morning. Nice. Okay, 27%, peanuts, splints. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it, chat. I have to say, I really like the way this game runs on my PC, dude. Like you have to think this is freaking 4K, chat. The game look good. So obviously it's not cyberpunk, but who cares? Like, oh, I forgot my jacket. Okay, no, I did not. My bad. So the early access version is more fleshed out and the demo focus more on the core mechanic. So what do you mean by fleshed out? Like polished? Oh, I saw one running on the right. Is he inside? He has to be inside. I think the guy is inside, dude. Oh! Oh, look at his son! Look how cool he look, dude! What a beautiful game, chat! Man, this guy he did a good job. That's all I have to say, like. Okay, we're gonna have to load the body I killed. Oh, some cigar. Nice. I love cigar, chat. A good cigar after a kill. Yeah. Down. Mwah. Yeah, I'm gonna try to flank. I can see him, dude. I made a better game than EFT. I'm not sure it's better than EFT, right? So far it seemed like an interesting game. Man, where is this guy? Maybe he's in the house. That sucks. I couldn't loot my kill. We're gonna have to think about not forgetting this kill, huh, chat? Sleeping bag? Oh, cool. Oh, can I have a beer, dude? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a beer, chat. Some tuna, dude. Are we getting rich? So you see the bag. He was hiding there the whole time! Bro! He scared me so hard! Dude! I gave up on EFT 2 or 3 years ago. If SPT can implement 1.0 feature, I will play that. If not, well, I was fun. Yeah, I get it. France is ditching Windows in favor of Linux for all the departments. Where did you read that? Man, I have 5 bullets. Oh la 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 la. I need to go loot the other guy. Oh, nice! Whoa! Okay, good. See this loot, dude? Okay, so my guess... My guess is like now it's clean. And I'm gonna be able to loot the corpse over there. Okay. And then I'm gonna take a bio break, like it's just... This has been hurting my stomach, dude. Too much violence. And yes, I run in the open like that. I'm this type of guy. Oh! He had the best gun ever! Let's go! Yeah, I think it's gonna be really important for all the countries that try to escape some type of like how to explain that without being, you know, too much, but yeah, I think a lot of countries are gonna try to be independent when it comes to software. Like let's word it this way. Right? I think a lot of countries they're gonna have to do it anyways. Guys, give me 1 second. I need to take a bio break, okay? Give me 1 second, chat. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yes! So dude, I have to say, like, I'm pretty baffled by this game, huh? It's pretty good. So let's have a drink. We're gonna have... We're gonna have an issue now related to... Wait. Medical, yeah, I'm gonna put my medical stuff in it. War chocolate, no, but this is the painkiller, the meds. Right, like that if we need some, we know it's here. The balm, yes. And the other splint. Okay, good. Man, I hate to say like I have to do it this way. It kind of sucks, no? I'm gonna put the food here. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I don't want to spend too much time there anyways, because this is just the... You know... It's just a demo, so... End of the day, like, there's no point. Like, I'm not going to, like, really, like... enforce it. Oh no, no, no. Okay. Digital sovereignty. Yeah, this is what I wanted to mention. So before I took the break there, we were talking about like sovereignty, digital sovereignty. I think it's gonna be important for everyone, like everyone, also including the US, to be like sovereign on this angle. I think Canada is starting to go there too, so it's gonna become a requirement, right? Okay, so what if I go this direction? Okay. Too calm to be true, dude. Bucket. Oh, mosquito hut. Nice, finally. Oh, look at this guy. He died on the bridge over there. Damn. I want Australia to move to Cyan like the Swiss have done, but we have no chance of intelligent decision making over here with IT, shelter customization in the EA version. Dev also refused every publisher deal that was thrown at him. Ready? Well, I think it's good to be like competent enough to be able to refuse those, you know, like deals. Oh, there is a guy inside. Five bullet, dude. Where is he? Could be behind too, huh? Okay, he's not here. So is he upstairs? You heard him too, right, chat? Oh, that's a guy you can buy and sell stuff. Curtain. Oh, the fridge. Okay. Got it, chat.
Ja seuraavaan kertaan.
Okay, so I guess this is pretty safe, no? Man, there is too much tactical fleece and stuff, I think, like. So obviously this is a demo. But you see, one thing which is really hard to achieve in this type of game is a loot table, right? Because there is a part which is like random, obviously. And there is some parts which need to be consistent for the game to be more... You know, I wouldn't say attractive, but... Oh, it's going to rain, dude. Wow. Okay, nice. The guy was here last time. He had a long range, right? I have to be careful. Because when I cross, I guess I'm gonna get shot on sight. So my guess is that we're gonna go here undercover and then go back towards them. It's gonna be my plan, dude. Like if someone has a gun long range here, I'm dead. Like there is no cover. I'm in the open. That's a nightmare, dude. Open the freaking door. I can't open. Okay, this thing is closed, so for whatever reason. As you play it and die over and over, you figure out some loot spot where you can generally find stuff. Makes sense. It's me or the game look kind of mid? Ah man, it's not that mid, dude. So it's not like cyberpunk, obviously, but you know, all those like apocalyptic Eastern Europe type of action, you know, like survival mode, they all have the same tint, right? Like, so it's not that bad, dude. And the FPS I got, man, like I'm looking at it at 200, but in fact I'm more like 300, 350 FPS. The game is running pretty well. But at least we're gonna get some food, right? Man, I don't see any of them, like... Don't hear them. It's not a good sign, right? Because it means they might be inside. So I got one, which was literally like waiting for me. Like. So now I'm like... little bit stressed, to say the least. I'm also wondering if the rendering on YouTube is as good as what I see on my screen because of how to explain, like the nature of the graphic. There is some graphic which are like easier to render, like on the stream and code and stuff, and this seems to me like the worst type of scenario. Whoa! Awesome. Oh, okay. So already checked that. Okay. Oh, what is this? Yeah. Take that. Like the game doesn't look bad, right? Whoa! Bro! Oh man, so those can, I can't even eat them? They are empty! They lied to me. I thought there were food in it. So he's at the first floor there. Yeah, he was at the top. So now it's like, is he gonna push? Yeah, I can take the risk to waste my bullet on him. Okay, someone is coming. Is he pushing me? I heard a guy talk, but... So those guys, they seem fairly intelligent, huh? Intelligent. Yeah, I don't want to take this fight. Okay, let's go in that direction over there. So because they are moving, you think you cleared your position and you can have one guy in your back. Hold down. Jacket. More jacket. Come on, man. Matrice? I think I'm gonna... Oh, it's not good. They're already looting in front of the window, like... Everything is empty, Chad. Okay, no, I don't want to loot here, it's too dangerous. Huh? Damn. I think he shot me from that direction. Ha! What angle did he get? A little bit panicking, chat. Oh, I see him. Okay, I don't have ammunition anymore. He's still dying. Can you hear him like scream? Oh boy. Nail. Duct tape, why not? Okay, I'm gonna go loot this guy if I can. Oh! Ammunition, tell me this is what I need. 9x19. Oh! Yes! Dude, I'm so lucky on this one. Someone open the door. Who does Nick? What's up? I think someone opened the door. Two more bullets, nice. Cat food, yes. Oh, I killed him in the middle of nowhere, dude. To go loot this guy. We're gonna need a serious pair of balls. Oh nice, this is so good. Okay, maybe I can take a little bit more risk because now I have some here, right? I didn't see this. Okay, so oh, it's a good loot again, huh? Okay, so here is a plan. We're gonna eat some food. Energy, hydration. Mental -10. Okay, so we're gonna eat that. Okay, that's good. I need to go loot this guy. Oh, there is a guy just here. I heard him. Yeah, he's here. Still got it. Okay, so I hear footsteps sometime. Decision. Left or right? Left or right? Left. Okay. I feel greedy, chat. We need to do more. Like we got little bits of ammunition. I wanna double down on that. Oh! No! I pressed the wrong button, chat! Oh, what a newbie! I pressed the wrong button. So I think it's inverse of what it was on Tarkov. Okay, well, no pineapple for you. The heck am I doing? What? Why is it? Okay, it's time to go back home, I think. It scares me, dude. Like, it scares me so hard. Same mistake. Okay. He had 41 bullets. I just threw them, dude. Yeah, so this I'm not fan of, right? He had 41 bullets, the guy. Disappeared. Because I have reflex, like it's so deep in my memory, you have no idea, chat. So... oh well. Yeah, I need to change it. I'm gonna do it when I'm inside the crate. It's my fault. I know it's my fault. No question asked, dude. I know it's my fault. I'm just explaining what's happening, right? So it's control. Yes! I'm stressed. Don't wanna die. Oh man, this is a nice one, no? Okay. Nice. Painkiller. Okay, this is awesome. I think we didn't do bad so far. If I can extract. If I can make it to the extract, it would be good. This one is scary, but we're gonna go for it. Saw him. You saw him, chat? Look at him. He's up there. Four bullets. Tell me he has good luck, please. Okay, we need some space somehow. Do I need to... Nothing. Whoa, 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 dude, how do you know I was there? Man, I've the supposed to advantage there. How do you pre-shot me like that? No! Oh! The heck, man? I have one bullet left. Man, this is the worst. Can you imagine I have to retreat? Well, I had the advantage there on paper. But he could see me behind the freaking with a freaking rock. And each time I peeked, he just headshot me, dude. The heck? Yo, David, how are you? Should have been an easy shot for me. No, I'm dead! Okay. Let's go back on. He cheated, we need a kernel level anti-cheat. Yes. Okay, not bad, dude. Not bad. Hey, Low Speed Lab, how are you, man? David, what's up? So we didn't do bad, in fact. Splints. We didn't do bad. Weekend mod on. Nice, dude. Is this game good? I think if you are into this type of game, it is a decent game, right? It's not that expensive either. I agree with you. And we are just playing the demo, and so far, like just with the demo, I'm having a ton of fun. And I've been taking all those cans we can't even use. I thought they were full of food, but there is nothing in it. Yes. That game is fun. If you look on the left, It say available. So what do you mean available? It's only 15 euro. He said he will increase in price as more features get implemented. Yeah. I think it's... I don't know. I don't have the full version of it. But yeah, it is... it is, in my opinion, right now, like, worth it. For 15 bucks, it's fair. Oh, previous screen I was on. Demo plus affordable pricing is great. Yeah, I agree. It's a good game, dude. It's a good game. Oh yeah, so if I die with all of this, I lose, right? You just want to unload everything. And you die. And then what I do, like next game, when I'm full health, I start again. And there is task apparently. Number of tasks completed. Task item based job from trader. Oh, this part here. So here you have everything else after, right? Task note, event, crafting. Yeah, so right now it's more like us running around and understanding how it works. But then you have more things to do in the game, right? I don't know, dude. I don't know. I'm fairly impressed by the performance. I'm fairly impressed by the performance. Game run well. I can see why. Like people will play this game a lot. Like yeah, everybody's happy about it. It's a decent game, dude. Let's see what people think about it. Just to see if we are aligned, like... What's of us is launching on Steam Early Access at a price of $14.99, which includes 25% launch discount at least for 2 weeks. $5.66 gigabyte. If you experience display bug, disable G-Sync. If DirectX and Vulkan doesn't work for you, OpenGL support is coming soon. Estimated time for OpenGL 2 weeks. Okay, so changelog, event system, multi-shelter support, key and lock door, pip scope, native DirectX, native shader, tools UI, interface, tools, new game, new map. Dude, this is To be fair, a lot of people are unhappy because it's not one-on-one EFT. I don't know, man. Like, if people are always upset, right? Vulkan has caused several driver issues, particularly for users with AMD hardware. What? How to force Vulkan, Linux and compatibility. If you are playing on Linux or simply prefer, you can still force it with the launch option. Rendering driver, Vulkan, rendering method forward plus. Okay. I didn't have any issue, dude. He was working very well with Vulkan for sure and Wayland. So let's see what they say. Hardcore stalker extraction shooter, and you can pause it mid-game to go take care of your kids. Yes. So this I don't agree. Like I don't think the AI is too hard. I don't agree with that. About this game, thinking I'm about to become a tactical operator. Instead, I become a tactical disappointment. I was expecting a slow, realistic tactical shooter, good game that almost is, and that someone hurts more. The good stuff. Run instantly well. Price to quality ratio is so fair I almost feel guilty complaining. Surprising polished for early access. Add someone actual atmosphere and stories that seem promising. Can be genuinely fun if you enjoy slow punishing gameplay. Now the part where my sanity starts slipping. Game say realism, but then lets a guy tank multiple chest shots and immediately laser me back like nothing happened. That's fair. Like this is fair. Gunplay feels off. Sometimes fine, sometimes like I'm throwing pebbles with altitude. Getting it doesn't feel impactful. Giving it doesn't feel rewarding. I get that too. Got shot by a guy who saw me through 3 bushes, 2 trees, and my hope and dreams. Sight. Why do they exist? Just to make my life harder. They'll be like, best I can do is inconvenience. Really, who made them? I just want to talk. Survival mechanic, sorry, are purely philosophical, yes. I died in outpost with generalist toilet paper because the game didn't allow me to drink from a puddle or lake like a civilized person. Loot system resets so fast, it feels like the world has short-term memory loss. Just enter and exit, free profit. So yeah, this, I can see like some mechanic being abused. This I kind of agree. But I guess it depends how you want to play it, right? But, all the bot. Is there John Wick or confused Roomba? Okay. Personally, don't care if people abuse mechanic in single player game. Yeah, it's just how you want to play it, right? John Wick or confused Zumba. So behavior spiritually advanced, virtual intelligence, war god, Terminator. Detect range, yes. Will spot you instantly, regardless of time of day, weather, or your intention in life. Fight turn into I hold the corner versus they prefire my bloodline. Accuracy range from Stormtrooper to certified M-bot demon. Demon, sorry. Barely and consistency, mostly just vibe. I didn't feel like that. Like, there is worse. This game has serious potential. You can feel it, just like Uncle or Priest, but right now it's just stuck in this weird space where it's polished yet not fully convincing. Yeah, I think... oh, he's playing on Nobara, dude. He's playing on Nobaras, dude. I tend to agree with this guy. Not with every point, but I get that. Me, like, what come out from this game will be like it's cheap. There is a potential, and for what it's worth, it's better than, you know, some other like alternative you could get for the same price for sure. I also think like you are a fan of this type of game or you are not, right? Kind of like playing a multiplayer game. You meet people who can't aim for shit and people who might be bots. At least, okay. So from the demo to the early access, there is not a lot apparently. Some new map have been added, but they feel unrewarding and mostly just offer a change of scenery with more walking simulator gameplay. A crafting system has also been introduced, but it's largely useless in the early game. If you're thinking about trying this game, I would honestly recommend just playing the demo for now. Nice looking game, intense, some fun mechanic, has great potential. Cons: overpowered AI. I don't agree with that. Like, I think it's not overpowered. I think it's... like, those guys, they didn't play Escape from Tarkov, dude. Like, Escape from Tarkov, like, there is some update where I remember, like, you will just get headshot one, like, headshot eyes. I don't remember the term, man. Like, one eye headshot, like, whatever, like, gear you would have on you or whatever, you would just get one tapped. Here, I didn't feel this way. Like, there is one or two bots which were like watching through this freaking rock, but otherwise it was okayish. Like, so crafting system we didn't try. Survival system, you constantly need food and water to the point where it feels excessive. You are basically forced to eat all the time. If you don't, you die. Yeah. So this I tend to agree, and the fact that by going back to the shelter, you still have to eat, it's kind of odd, right? Hey, salut El Pompino, how are you doing? Weird weapon balance. Weapon damage doesn't seem to properly reflect caliber. A 0.45 does the same damage as a 9mm, which feels unrealistic and unbalanced. So this, we didn't go deep enough to see it. But what I noticed is like going to the handgun to the machine gun was the big upgrade, right? Yeah, you still have to eat when you're at home in reality, but you can bypass it by just dying, right? Dropping everything, dying. What you really lose is your loot table. So I think here it's more like a mechanic which need to be rethink. Just my 2 cents, right? Looting issue. Containers are mostly useless and loot feel random and unreliable. The most useful items are often just lying on the ground and are hard to spot. I kind of agree with that. Containers are frequently empty. Well, this is normal, like it's a looting game, right? This removes the risk-reward balance. So this is one of the most and hardest thing in this type of game, whether it's multiplayer or solo, right? No Prime notification? Did you just sub, brother? El Pompino. What the heck happened there? I'm sorry, dude. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, no notification, nothing. Okay, so El Pompino, welcome to La Crème de la Crème Club, and thank you very much for your Prime sub, dude. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. And sorry, we didn't have any notification. I don't know what's going on. Let me check the bot here. Is he like sleeping or something? Like, yeah, I don't know. Sorry about this. Looting issue. Containers are mostly useless and look feel random, so that's with it. Overall, this issue make it harder for me to fully enjoy the game. No, I don't agree with that too. Like, I think it's not perfect, but you can still enjoy it. I don't think I'm gonna buy it right now because I just don't have time to play to all those games, and I just bought Crimson, Crimson whatever, Desert, and I didn't even play it, dude. So I'm like, if I buy this, I could buy it to see, like, you know, support the guy. And be, you know, we could replay it like 1 year from now to see where it's at. But absolute banger. Crazy that this was done by just one guy. It's the right spot if you are into Stalker or any tactical extraction and looter shooter. At the moment, a little bit rough and lacking here and there, but the pro outweighs the cons. I agree with that. I think that it's still a good game considering where it come from and the price. I will be like the main output. Like if you have $15 to burn, I would say like just go for it. Now in my wish list, wait, I have another one I wanna look at. So this one was on my wish list. I was already like. You see, aged in 2024, dude. This is where I added it, because I was looking for it. There is another one. I think someone mentioned it in chat. I don't remember the name. Yeah, War Dogs. So this one, I'm really interested too. So this one I'm interested because I believe it's gonna be multiplayer, right? Yeah, PvP. So this is the other stuff, dude. I like the PvP approach. And I got Stalker when it got released, like Stalker 2. But I think this is a dimension that kind of like miss for me. Like it's a miss for me. I like to play against other player. Right? So obviously this one doesn't have it. Come on, Bobby. Here we go. People are allowed to. Yeah, exactly. No. Hey guys, I'm not judging any of you who are into it or not into it. I'm just giving you my feedback. Okay. I legitimately think that this is insane. Like this is insane. For a one guy show, right? Oh, you can put the weapon like that on the table? You can put it. You can pull your weapon like that on the table. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm such a noob. Oh, and this game will play so well on the Steam Deck, like. How to get the cat? You can get a cat, okay. How to reload? Man. It's literally in the tutorial, man. Like what? Yeah, I agree, Stefan. Completely agree. I have a friend who loves Starfield. I hate it. Different stroke for different folk. Exactly. But I see it. I see the potential in this game. So there is this one I added in my wish list, but there is another one, chat. Let me show you. You want to go on? How do we get to the freaking wish list, dude? Hello? Yeah. There is another one I want to share with you guys. So the creator of Palworld are coming with another one called... Where is he, dude? It's kind of like Palworld, but you are a pirate. Yeah, it's this one, Windrose. This one, I think I'm gonna get, dude. So it's gonna be out next week. So I'm trying to, you know, not burn the budget, chat. But like this could be fun. Embark on a PvE survival adventure in the age of piracy. Fight on land and sea solo or with friend. Like, I think this one could be interesting, chat. Well, let me show it to you. Like, this look insane, chat. Dude. You can try the demo if you want? No way. No way! Okay, dude. Okay, now let's see if it works. 26 gigabytes. Okay. So yeah, seems this one seems interesting, dude. So it's single player and co-op, right? So you see, so on the 14th of April. Oh, okay, Xas. Makes sense. I saw it works on AMD, but I don't know if it works on NVIDIA. Let's see. Play the demo to claim an exclusive spyglass for the early access. Woo! Woohoo! So what do we need? A 1080 Ti, dude. So, yes. I can imagine some guy talking to his wife defending a $50 parrot hat. Bro. I don't know about the pricing on this one. I guess we'll see, hein, chat. $29.99. Okay, fair. Fair, dude. Have you ever heard of a game called Combat Master? No. Is it on Steam? Is it gonna be a weird game, dude? This one. Does he run on Linux? Oh yeah, he does. Deadass knockoff of COD, but fun in a way bundles are cheap and intense skill required. Ready? So is that a battle royale? Horrible positioning of HUD, more pop-ups than a porn site, and undisclosed AI usage in game. So my guess it's free, right? So it has been released in 2023, dude. Capture the flag. Okay, capture the flag. Deathmatch, team deathmatch. Oh, okay. So no BR, right? It's like a mobile game, but trust me, it's good. It's 2 GB to download. Hey, not bad, dude. That's funny. Like I never heard about it. Are we still downloading here? Like, oh. Okay, here we go. I think it was slow because of my SSD. Like my SSD is where it's at, you know? Yeah, exactly. Like it was 1 second to download. Oh, okay. Oh well. So here I'm just going to check that we are running with CachyOS. And I'm going to be lazy and I'm just going to copy this and put it there. Okay, guys, wish me luck. Oh. Oh. So, fatal error. Okay. Let's try again. Maybe it's just the first start. Sometime it happens. I guess there is some type of video here. Okay, so it's not a video. This is the loading screen. So I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna try again. Can't launch it, chat. Okay, so we're on the bleeding edge here, so it should be fine. Let's try again. It sucks. So we are on bleeding edge. It's because maybe they fixed it, but I don't think. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go, chat. Yeah. All right. Damn. Okay, can play it, dude. We tried. Yep. So listen, chat. I think I'm gonna end the stream. I've been live for almost 4 hours. Thank you very much for watching. We'll be back when we are back. Okay. So thank you very much for the support of the, like the new member of La Crème de la Crème Club. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. We're gonna get also thank you for the member on Prime on Twitch. Also, thank you very much. We'll be back again next week. We'll see what we're gonna cover. I really hope like this one's gonna be released until then. What day it is? Store page 14. So yeah, it should be released. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Have a good rest of your day. Have a great weekend. And as always, see you in the next one. Bisous, bisous. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching again.